Wildeck is known nationwide as one of the largest mezzanine manufacturers. We are known for doing the very large projects throughout the country. We easily have many thousand square foot mezzanine systems with VRCs, but we also have 30, 40, 50,000 square foot systems as well. So Wildeck not only does the large stuff, but we can easily handle the small stuff as well. It's very important to know when you're estimating and designing a system that we know what the actual usage is, i.e. how many people, what types of machinery, what's it going to be used for. It'll help us with point loads, live loads, etc. So we're quoting and estimating the right product for you. This project was very unique with the fact that we were going to support a 2-level PIC module on top of our mezzanine. It has approximately 28 foot by 26 columns on the ground floor per the customer's requirement for an open area for workstations. Some manufacturers only use cold-rolled C-section. Some companies only use structural I-beams, and some companies only use bar joists. In this particular design, we used all three products in its engineering. We build a mezzanine for what's right for your needs, not what's best for our machinery. This is an average-sized project. However, the engineering to coordinate with the rack manufacturers, the shelving manufacturers, the builder of the building, there was a lot of coordination between the different trades. Customer service is what makes or breaks a company. Mezzanines are typically the very first product that goes into a warehouse. If we make a promise and we don't deliver, we don't just miss our completion date, we bump out every other trade. It's imperative that you choose a company that's going to be on time.